Hi everyone, welcome back to Trading for Beginners. Today in this video, we will be learning how to reset CoinEx password. If you are trying to sign into your CoinEx account but you've forgotten your password, then you can easily reset to a new one. First of all, launch open the CoinEx app or website, and once you're inside this login page, click on the Forgot Password at the very bottom of the screen. Now go ahead and enter your email address associated with your CoinEx account on the next field. Make sure to type in your correct email. Once you are done, click Next from the bottom, and then a verification code will be sent to you via email. Go ahead and check your email inbox. Click Open the email from CoinEx that you received and copy the code inside it. Get back to CoinEx app and paste in the code. If you've enabled two-factor authentication, go ahead and enter the code for two-factor authentication as well. Once you do that, on the next page, you'll be asked to enter the new password. Type in the password, including the criteria given below the first box. Once you are done, enter the password once again in the next field. Finally, click Confirm from the bottom. You have now successfully changed your password on CoinEx. Next time you log in, make sure to enter the newly updated password. After typing it down, click Login and you'll be able to sign in with your newly updated password. So that's how easy it is in order to reset your forgotten password on CoinEx. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next video. Thank you for watching.